I just got this Todsy, like the performance. Boot time reduced from 22 seconds to 8 seconds. Let's see if it will work fine for long time. Attached the difference in speeds for HDD and this SSD. Absolutely love these SSDs. They are super fast, crazy lightweight and do the job extremely well. Super easy to install as well. I had a 4 to 5 year old HP laptop that was starting to show its age slow. I made an image of the original hard drive using Macrium Reflect 7 Free Edition. Great product. Then replaced the drive with the SSD. Restored the drive image to the laptop. Needed to check a box to allow the image to be restored to a different size drive. Had the system up and running in about 30 to 40 minutes. Noticeably faster boot time and running some apps. Being a solid-state drive, it is resistant to damage from banging the laptop and uses less battery. I had to set up the SSD in Partition Manager. Considering the low cost, this SSD is excellent. It's not the best SSD you can get, but for having as a boot drive it's perfect. Nice solid-state drive that is also pretty thin. The 480 GB is pretty fast too. I don't have words to explain how this just changed the whole game. Fast and cheap, never were this close before. I bought this SSD for my now 9-year-old polycarbonate MacBook, and so far it has mostly transformed this system into a competent daily driver and runs High Sierra pretty well. My only issue though is with the read-write speeds. Using the BMD speed test, I get speeds ranging around approximately 250 MB, s-read and approximately 160 MB, s-write. Not the quickest of SSDs, but a huge step up from the stock 250 GB spinner that it came with. Overall satisfied with the drive. I was building a computer for a friend and she doesn't need much space on her computer, so I got her this SSD. I have to say it's fast and sufficient enough for most people. I got the 128GB model just for loading the OS and software she has on the computer, and it's plenty fast. However, if you want to store all your files on the SSD, get the higher capacity model, it's worth it. I might be a little bit slower than the Samsung Evo 860, but it's still way faster than any traditional hard drives. I had an old Vista computer. I upgraded it to Windows 10 and had no problems using this drive. I can't say anything about how long it might last as I have only had it a few days, but so far so good. Good luck. Nice job, Kingston. Brought an old Acer Aspire E15 back to life. Ideal for upgrade my old laptop. I recently rebuilt a 2005 Win XP computer for retro games and decided to try an SSD in it. It works great even though Win XP does not support the trim function, but the SSD's garbage collection function keeps it running well. I also just built an AMD Ryzen 3900X machine. But there is just something I guess because I am old too. Now to go work on one of my C64s. Click link in description for more reviews.